The late former President Robert Mugabe once warned that Mnangagwa lacked the temperament and the integrity to lead Zimbabwe. Sandapena mashoko buda panguva ino chona kaunza mashoko Robert Gabriel Mugabe panguva ino verifyiwa. Pana patona this headline buda chiti Mugabe vindicated as ED breaks looting record. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tiona mashoko acho verified ekunzi aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa haana chido chekutungamira nyika but kuluta panapa muzimu emungunonikwa mchisi today. That prophetic caution appears to have come full circle as the Mnangagwa administration sinks deeper into an unprecedented looting spree, with the high level of corruption now described as widespread and systemic by the government's own watchdogs. Mugabe, who was ousted in a 2017 military coup that ushered in the so-called Separate Republic, famously resisted handing over power to Mnangagwa, reportedly telling close associates that his long-time aide was not presidential material and would drag the country into a new era of unrestrained kleptocracy. His figures are now being vindicated. Confidential government documents obtained by Zimbabwe Independent Review, a damning web of corruption implicating cabinet ministers, permanent secretaries, and senior bureaucrats who are siphoning millions from state-owned enterprises. The funds are being diverted to finance opulent lifestyles, luxury vehicles, overseas junkets, DSTV subscriptions, gym memberships, and even hotel bills, all under the guise of inter-ministerial collaboration. The looting is bleeding parastatals already in financial distress and exacerbating the burden on taxpayers, many of whom are earning below the poverty line and facing increasing taxation. Alarmed by the scale of the abuse, the Office of the President and Cabinet (OPC) has issued an unusually blunt directive warning that the illegal expenditures are undermining corporate governments, compromising service delivery, and placing unsustainable pressure on the fiscus. In shocking detail, the memo outlines how public entities were strongly armed into financing foreign delegations, purchasing luxury vehicles for ministry officials, and paying for social programs with no relation to the mandates. This included DSTV subscriptions, private club and gym memberships, stationary car rentals, and allowances. While a similar caution was issued in 2019, analysts say this renewed crackdown signals deeper frustration within government over the entrenchment of corrupt practices and a growing appetite to enforce accountability, at least on paper. However, critics remain skeptical, citing the government's long-standing failure to prosecute high-profile looters. Domashkwar buda pangwa ina no kons aiwa Mugabe pangwa ine on kons aiwa kachora chokwadi pamsoro pezvino aiwa zviri kuitika right now munyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu matikudi pamsoro pechitiko ichi. Kana comment section medu zofunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chito on the bell icon.